Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the temperature unit on the Pocket Love Qt Live Sim application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And now go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. In the second option, the temperature, you can select the Celsius or the Fahrenheit unit and just select one and step on it. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.